Hi. Today I am going to show you how to generate and insert QR code in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. There are many reasons to use QR code, such as direct audience to a website and location, send an email, send a message, download apps. It's easy to navigate rather than typing. Here you can see I have already created one QR code for my channel. Very first let's see a demo. How it works. Now let's see how to get QR code generator into Office application. Select Insert tab and have to open Store. You can open Office Store in following methods. Here you have to type QR and enter. Then you will get some suggestions. From here you have to select QR for Office and click Add, and continue. When you open next time, you have to click on My Add-ins, and double click on this to open. From these options, you can select the option that you want. I am going to show you how to create QR code for a YouTube channel link, and also going to use the same YouTube channel link for demonstration purpose. So I am selecting HTTPS here. Then copy and paste the link here. Here some more options are available. You can change those as you want. You can see the preview here. After the changes, click on Insert. Now your QR code is ready to use. We will see how it works. Open the camera or QR code scanner in your mobile and scan the QR code. Click on Open in YouTube. You can see it's working fine. Now we will see how to insert QR code to Microsoft Excel. We have already installed the QR code generator. So, go to Insert and select My Add-ins and double click on it. Here also you have to follow the same steps to generate QR code. After generate, click on Insert. Now we will see how to insert QR code to Microsoft PowerPoint. Here also you have to follow the same steps to open QR code generator. Then generate the QR code and click on Insert. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more useful videos.